Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Hacker Associate broadcast. You are watching the Hacker Show. In this section, we are going to learn about live sniffing. Hacker किस तरीके से आपका ट्रैफिक स्निफ कर सकते हैं, that exactly we are going to cover in this particular section. So for example, let's say like we have 20 system up and running, and I am in specifically in the one network, and how I can see each and every traffic whatever is flowing from one end to another end. So example, let's say if you are opening S3 bucket, okay, if you are basically going to any website, each and everything I'm going to record including credentials. So this is the magic basically I'm going to show you. I have done many things okay in the past, okay, so that exactly I created a proper demo. Okay, in this particular section we will be discussing exactly the same. I hope you got an idea. We are performing offensive sniffing, and I can see every traffic, and maybe if you think about SSL certificate and everything will protect you, it is a myth. And remember, this is the man in the middle attack, and I can do anything because you are in my network or I am in your network. Okay, so I'll give you some tips and tricks in this particular section. Okay, and also read the proper description if you're watching this video, okay, from LinkedIn. Have a great day, and I will see you in the practical part. So today I'm going to show you how to perform a live sniffing and how to intercept the remote traffic. And exactly you can see a lot of software okay I'm running okay in my system. So you can see clearly I'm using a NetSpot where I'm monitoring every wireless network, and here you can see I'm using a alpha card, okay, and if I open, I just minimize this one, and you can see clearly the alpha card is running, and I turn okay my machine, this machine okay, into wireless IDS, okay, wireless intrusion detection system. So I am basically investigating okay like fake AP or rogue AP okay attack if someone is performing man in the middle. So I'm investigating that area. You can see it's filtering okay the MAC address, analyzing the MAC address, and so on. And next part okay if I want to show you is intercepting. So before I start intercepting the traffic, I want to give you background what exactly we are going to do here. So you can watch this video okay before I start the session. So I'm starting this video. Clearly in this particular video okay he is demonstrating that okay whatever you do with your device okay he can see okay in his system, right? The same thing okay I'm going to show you exactly the same way. So for this I'm using a Debookee, and Debookee is a proprietary software okay you're not able to download, okay, it is not available on internet by the way. So if I go to the LAN scan, you can see so I have a different model. You can clearly see that I have Wi-Fi module enabled, wireless part is enabled, and you can see this is a LAN. So it's the same okay device I'm connected okay with the LAN as well as wireless. Okay, this is the Apple iMac system, as you know that already. This is the Wi-Fi, so you can see clearly, and here if I go to the network, this is the LAN. So both are connected okay to this, right? This is I'm connected with this particular network. So here if you see we have this IP address, this is the MAC address, and you can see I can see literally this is my Wi-Fi network. So I can see my devices, I can see the MAC address, and same thing you can do with the Kali. There is no magic in that by the way, but you can see the nice GUI, I can see properly, I can see the details about the host name, MAC address, IP, DNS name, and so on. Now if I want to perform a sniff on example, let's say this machine, Harshad iMac, I can simply click on this button. Okay, so you can see clearly if I start my presentifier, so I can directly click on this button and start sniffing module. Okay, so I have already done that part, and after that okay you can see I can intercept SSL TLS traffic and all this. So that is the magic okay which I am doing in the background, like certificate part and everything. So this is the man the middle attack, that is exactly the trick we are performing. So if attacker basically create okay his network, and you as a user connecting okay to the wireless network, that's how okay it is. Okay, so he can see, it means attacker I can see. So I am attacker here, I can see every traffic whatever it is passing that. And in some cases because of certificate pinning and everything, I'm not able to see the traffic, but we need to find the way also like how to bypass that as well. But here I want to show you a simple demonstration. If I go to the SSL TLS, here you can see I can sniff every part of it, every traffic. Suppose I want to sniff this iPhone, right? I can simply click here start network module, and I can start sniffing on this particular phone, and whatever the user is, if the user is browsing something, user is entering the details, I can easily see okay in my system. So you can clearly see that I have this traffic. So if user basically clicking or going to the internet, what traffic I can see, right? I can go to the DNS, you can see all information I can see easily, like what website okay is visiting. You can see clearly here okay cloud Okay, then he opened the Mozilla, showed on, okay, he is connected. You can see these are the application hackerassociate.com. I can see every part of it, like what website he is visiting, okay, where he is going, any device I can intercept. Second, if you want to see the traffic in the live manner, so I click on the traffic, you can see this is the DNS, this is the traffic, right? This is the traffic, and you can simply select here TCP traffic, okay, MAC address. Here you can see, plus you can see the address, who is talking to whom, and you can see the byte A to B, plus IP address, TCP traffic, UDP traffic, every traffic we can see, and you can clearly see that iCloud traffic here as well, right? And everything I'm doing, okay, you can see very easily. Plus if you want to see the traffic regarding this, you can see clearly. And good thing about this framework is you can clearly see that, okay, someone open Amazon and this is HTTPS link, and when I simply move to this example, let's say this, and if I just browse this application, clearly you can clearly see that I can open, okay, like the images. Okay, that is more dangerous. So you can see this is the Amazon link, and I can easily open, or I get to know like user is basically like working with S3 bucket or whatever. Okay, you can see the DNS name, right? So this is the S3 bucket, and I found that and I sniff that traffic, okay, and I open it. Same way, if you can see, these are all the links. So example, let's say we will see the credential. So you can see, and the iCloud case, okay, the TLS handshake failed. So that is completely fine. Okay, we need to see that, okay, like the certificate part of it, but I can see everything. So you can see the Discord traffic. So I'm using lot of things here, right? So this Debookee able to intercept as well Discord traffic, all this. So Discord I can easily find, okay, like someone open the Discord application, someone is using a Notion, every part I can see that. Not only this, if you go to this application, this is the HTTP application as I mentioned. So if you go to sign in, I can easily see what exactly it is happening, right? He entered this password as a username and all this. So same way, if it's HTTP also, we can easily read because certificate and everything is properly installed. So that's how the attacker install a certificate in specifically iDevices or Android devices, and they can literally basically intercept any traffic whatever, okay, you're doing. So you think, okay, you are going to HTTPS application, everything works smoothly, but in the backend, okay, attacker is sniffing every part of it. So attacker know what exactly you are doing with the system. So that is very dangerous part that exactly I want to show you, okay, regarding offensive sniffing. So if you want a book regarding understanding how the sniffing work and everything, so you can go and check, okay, like this book that is called offensivesniffing.com. This is a website, by the way. So you can go to this website and you can order, okay, this book immediately. We will dispatch to you. Okay, this is even like you can also get, okay, your digital copy, and you can start the training immediately as soon as possible. So here I explain every part of it. Okay, and again, whatever the video I'm recording, I'm going to put, okay, on YouTube as well as my private community regarding offensive sniffing. So this is the way, that's how, okay, you can sniff everybody traffic. Okay, but that is the way. And you can same thing, okay, you can do, okay, using 𝗥𝗲𝗀 and everything, but 𝗥𝗲𝗀 is open source and other thing. So that level, okay, you're not able to, you get it, like how we are able to sniff every traffic, like, okay, it's very easy for us for this using this particular framework. But if you're using some other framework, okay, is not that capable of intercepting every part of it. So that is all about this basically session. I hope you enjoy the thing. I hope you like this particular video. This is amazing and I love this, because whenever I go to airport or any free Wi-Fi if I'm getting, okay, then I am always thinking, oh, hey, I'll get all the data. I'll get lot of data from the clients. So this is the way, right? That's how, okay, you can do the things. So great day. See you in the next hacking episode. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to hack cloud using a single prompt. We will discuss that part also. It's a great day. See you in the next episode.